Do you wish you could be the present mom you've always wanted to be, but still need to provide an income for your family? Are you tired of scouring the internet for legit jobs that will replace your income and that you can do from home in your PJs? Hey friend, welcome to the Virtual Assistant Mama podcast. I know you're over there Googling jobs for moms, legit work-at-home jobs, or start a side hustle, yet you can't figure out how to take that first step. So instead, you stay stuck, do nothing, or start random side hustles to try to make quick money. Becoming a virtual assistant is the answered prayer you've been waiting for. My name is Ariana, and I'm a former teacher turned work-at-home mom who replaced my teaching income as a virtual assistant in just 6 months. I did this by taking a step of faith and following the dream that God placed on my heart to be home with my babies. Mama, your dreams pale in comparison to God's dreams for you. Imagine offering services that light you up, working with clients who value you and pay you what you're worth, and having a job that works around your life and not the other way around. This is the podcast for you. It's time to take that first step. Are you ready? Here we go.
Hey friends, welcome back to the Virtual Assistant Mama podcast. In this episode, I'm going to walk you through 4 reasons that you're probably not making consistent income like you want in your virtual assistant business. Number 1 is buyer confusion. So if your potential clients don't actually know what you specialize in, it's not easy for them to see exactly what your packages are, then you're confusing them and they're probably going to go to someone else who is very clear and upfront that this is what I offer. These are the only services I specialize in. It makes it really clear for them so they don't have as many questions. This point also kind of ties into the second reason why you might not be making consistent income in your virtual assistant business is that you might have too many offers. If you're offering, 5 different broad services, that's really confusing for your potential clients, and they're going to be concerned that you're not super experienced in all of those different offers. If a client is coming to hire you to help them grow their business, they want to know that you're more of an expert in like 1 or 2 areas, not, 5 to 10. So I recommend keeping it clear and concise and offering only 1 to 2 main services. All right, the third reason you're not making consistent income in your virtual assistant business is unprofessionalism. So if you don't have branding colors, they're not consistent, maybe there's too many, it's all over the place, you're using 10 million different fonts, it's gonna make it really confusing again for them, and it's not going to help you stand out among the crowd. I always recommend keeping everything really clean, professional, not a ton of colors, not a ton of fonts, maybe 5 colors max, but I would actually recommend 3, 2 fonts max, maybe 3, but that's pushing it. And just really clean and simple, easy for people to look at, not overwhelming, just make it really, really easy for them to understand what you offer whenever they come across your social media post, and that makes it even easier for them to say yes. All right, the 4th reason that you're not making consistent income in your virtual assistant business is that you're not building relationships. I see so many virtual assistants who are just there to serve themselves, and they're just there to land that next client so that they can reach their income goals. But you have to be in the mindset of serving others in this space and connecting with them and relating to them and being there to help them. And that's what's going to land you those clients. If you're just there for a paycheck, they're going to realize that even on the discovery call, even in talking to you before the discovery call, and they're going to be looking for someone who's actually there to help them further their business mission. And if that's not you, they're probably not going to hire you. So I want you to think about that when you're talking to people, get engaged in whatever their mission is of their business. Learn all that you can about them before you even get on that discovery call so that you can really show you care and you're invested in what they're doing, and they are much more likely to hire you instead of the other people they're interviewing. All right, so let me recap those 4 reasons you're not making consistent income in your virtual assistant business. Number 1 is buyer confusion. Number 2 is too many offers. 3 is unprofessionalism, and 4 is not building relationships, just being there to serve yourself. Now, I help you overcome a lot of these issues in my free workshop. So all you have to do for that is go to arianavernier.com/free-workshop or click the link in the show notes, get registered, and I will teach you the 5 Ps of becoming a successful and profitable virtual assistant so that you can start working from home a whole lot sooner. So go register for that. I can't wait to see you there. And as always, I love you guys so much, and we will see you in the next episode.
Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. I would love to bless you with a free gift as a thank you. All you have to do is leave a review of the show on Apple Podcasts, take a screenshot, and send it to podcast@virtualassistantmama.com. I'll send you a code so you can snag my virtual assistant toolkit for free. And don't forget to come hang out with us in our free community, facebook.com/groups/virtual-assistant-mama. I'm so honored to support you in your journey to becoming a virtual assistant. Until next week, y'all, keep following the dreams that were placed on your heart so you can be the present mama you've always wanted to be.